And our next guest says investors should look to energy to protect their portfolios. Bring in Jerry Castellini, Chief Investment Officer of Castleark Management. Jerry, I may know something about energy, and we talk about oil and gas all the time, but here's the problem. There's a whole section of the world that says we're not going to invest in oil and gas, the ESG movement, et cetera. And you can agree with that, by the way. But if you do, you might be leaving a lot of money on the table because there's only one group that appears to be consistently growing its cash flow, and that is energy.
Yeah. Brian, you hit the nail on the head. I mean, first of all we're doing right now is reviewing these big tech company earnings and tearing them apart and trying to piece out what could happen over the next couple of years. And we're going pretty far down that road, right? We've knocked these things down a lot. A lot of investors are just worrying, is there one more shoe to drop? I could argue either side on that. I personally think we've kind of washed out most of them. But what's also missed, and the two biggest earnings estimate or the biggest earnings announcement this week are going to be two companies that you'll get very little coverage from, Exxon and Chevron on Friday. You talk about things that matter. You just nailed it. Exxon is the global dominant oil and gas player. They have operations all over the world. They are going to report one of their best numbers ever. And investors are going to hate the fact that one of the biggest companies is doing this well, leading the market, breaking out to an all-time high, as a matter of fact, in the last 6 or 7 sessions. That is a warning for folks that want to cling to old views of the industry and avoid owning them.
All right. Not only are you a buyer of Exxon, you like Schlumberger or SLB and Hess and Diamondback. Can you talk a little bit about why? Sure.
So, it's a picks and shovels things. A lot of folks will favor a Schlumberger because they are the guys that dig the holes. And we have no problem with that. It's a global technology leader in oil and gas. And by the way, technology is one of the few areas in energy that could use a huge ramp. If you think about all the things that have 30, 40, 50-year-old technologies attached to them, Schlumberger is right there for solutions. And the multiple you would put on Schlumberger if you believed in the longevity of this cycle is probably 50% higher than the one you're paying right now.